What is up, y'all? Back finally after a long ass hiatus. If you can't see, I'm in the new shop. A lot of shit's gonna go on in here. Mostly car stuff, maybe some bike stuff. I kind of grew out of bikes because me and the law didn't get together with that type of stuff. So I'm into drifting. Gonna be building some cool cars here, mostly BMWs if I'm gonna be honest with you. Work on Toyotas here and there, but like I said, it's a work in progress. It's empty. Today, for this intro, we're actually gonna be putting my new lift together.
Attempting to put the lift
It's
together.
probably not gonna go well. I got my boy Chris behind the camera, doing a little commentating. And we're just gonna see how it goes and see if I can start this channel back up. It's not gonna be, you know, all bikes and whatnot. We're gonna mess with some pit bikes, some scooters, maybe some bike life shit here and there. But
some Chinese bikes too.
Yeah, we grown and broke now, so we ain't gonna be doing what I used to do back in the day. But we'll see how it goes.
So Jay, what we got going on? Where you been? Tell the viewers where you been at, Jay. You used to be posting all the stunts and whatnot, you know, doing some dirty riding and whatnot. Tell them where you been at.
Working, dying, being a slave to the trade.
You know, American lifestyle.
Literally, but now.
He's in the shop. What's the plans for the shop?
Build cool shit. Maybe start a little side hustle here and there, something like that. But mostly chill with the boys. Build shit, fuck up our shit, all that type of stuff.
And the drift cars.
Yeah, I'm a drift boy now.
That boy got out of the illegal shenanigans and got into the
track-orientated things. Age puts a lot on you. Going on the big 3-0.
Yeah, he was just talking about how he gained a little weight. Y'all think my boy looks fat? He got a little weight on him? Nah, he looks good. He look. Top tier flavor.
You got the pen here.
Other top tier flavor.
But what the hell?
The view was fucking me up. So chalk line goes between right there. It's been a minute since I did this. My dog trying to do math right now.
It's 165. Technically, 211.
We ain't gonna talk about my GPU.
We should pop a line to center fire.
The center of. All right, well, we're about to figure out all the measurements and everything. So we're gonna cut.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
How'd you feel about that process, Jay?
Sketch. God damn. Sketch. Figuring out as we go.
He's pouring up that chalk.
That
That boy balling on a budget.
Hopefully this China lift don't kill him.
USA made lifts thinking that they're USA made. Because they're not. Yup.
Shit, boy.
Is it tight? Sheesh. That boy a mathematician. An architect even.
Shit.
You proud of that?
A little bit.
So right now we're trying to figure out how to get that beam up there with one 12-foot, that's 12-foot? One 10-foot ladder and one 6-foot ladder.
We might die or something, but we gonna make it. With about 40 pounds, 50 pounds.
That's an easy 70, I'd say. Let's see. Yeah, that's an easy 70. Tell him what happened, Jay.
Got the wrong bit. I'd have got the wrong type of drill before, so.
It is 7:54.
What time to start with breakfast? What'd we do?
You bought the wrong drill bits. And now we're gonna go all the way across town to go get more drill bits.
I work with tools every single fucking day. The one thing I don't mess with are hammer drills and masonry bits and anything carpentry. This SDS plus bull crap, whatever they got going on, just shook me in the ass on these.
It's 8:04. We're headed to Home Depot to get more drill bits. He's holding me hostage until this is done. We're at the Home Depot. We're on a side quest for a trash can right now. You have an actual trash can if you need to take something out. Dog, they finna close on us. I said money's not an object.
I wish it wasn't. 5 inches deep.
Humble J.
Wow. Bigger, better.
That's not what my ex said. It wasn't funny. We're still here trying to figure out which one he wants.
We're gonna go with the smaller one and pray.
About time. We're at Dollar General because I needed some deodorant. Here. Yeah, that too. I think they're out here. Gotta be. Yo. Sheesh. Got the RX-7. We just got back. He's somewhere looking around. Lights. It's pretty. Anyways, I had to get some food, so you know what I did. I went and got me some burgers, some hot dogs, some fries, a Coke, and some pizza. But I ain't talking about no normal middle of the mall shit. I'm talking about this right here. When was the last time y'all had one of these? Here you can have a burger.
Damn. If you know about these.
I was just saying. Oh shit, damn. Damn.
Well, we ran out of time.
Because he decided to buy the wrong bits.
Yeah, so about to epoxy 2 anchors in, torque them down, and we're gonna have to pick this shit up another day. So this was the first intro video back into the, YouTube realm. And we'll see what's to come.
Part 2 coming soon. Choo!